Today I'm going to build something I've never built before for this channel. A paper gun that shoots, is what I wanted to say. Actually, no. Today I'm going to be building the handgun from Wolfenstein A New Order. This is actually built around a P08 Luger. This one is actually by AW Customs. Now what I'm actually building is the paper muzzle device that you see attached to the front end of this gun. Or is it a barrel attachment? I'm not even too sure anymore. So for all intents and purposes, this is basically an airsoft gun, but with a paper accessory attached to it. Now I've never actually built something like this before, so don't consider this to be an official tutorial. But if you're interested, I do have a cut sheet in the link below. Now this gun will definitely turn some heads at my local airsoft field. Now this gun does have two problems. First being, for some reason, the hop-up unit on this gun was designed upside down and will spin the BB straight into the ground. So you do need to take this gun apart and modify the hop-up to get it to function correctly. Second is that I probably will never be able to find a holster that'll fit this thing. As usual, like if you liked the video, dislike if you didn't. Join me on my Discord server so when I disappear for 6 months again, you'll know what's up.